Adding PDFs into your courses. From the dashboard, go to Courses and then click to open a course. If you're already in a course, you can just navigate to the curriculum. This is where you can add your media types for your course curriculum. We're going to add a lesson type here and we're going to go in and call this PDF. I'm going to save the changes, and then down here you have the PDF icon to upload a PDF. Let's click here. Let's go and locate the file or choose it from the library here if you've already uploaded it. We're going to just choose drop file. The file is going to come up and we're just going to click open. Now this is loaded, we're going to view this in the course curriculum by going down to preview course curriculum as student. Let's now open up the media type file where the lesson is. Go to PDF and you will see that a PDF has been generated from your PDF file, and you can go and look through all of that like so. So this works just like a PDF, normal PDF. You can open it up here and you can go through it by clicking the mouse. You can press escape to clear yourself down, and you can zoom in, zoom out, and you can also view the pages on the left hand side there and flick that back like this. It all works very nicely. It's even got a zoom in here as well to zoom it in and out. And this is the PDF media type inserted into your course curriculum.